Hey YouTube, this is another unboxing video. This is the computer I bought. Hopefully help me better with editing, things like that. I bought this from Best Buy. I've been told that this is pretty good, that this will do a good job with regard to video editing, especially this computer. Of course, this is an HP. It's, I think, an HP, is it Pavilion, it says here on top? It's all in one. I'm not sure of the exact, this has an exact name to it. This tells all the different specifications. 10-point touch enabled, 23.8 diagonal, FHD, bright view, I think that's the thing. 10th generation Intel Core, I think it's a 5 processor, yes. 12 gigabytes RAM memory. HP wide vision. Then I know the mouse and keyboard is wireless. There's a whole bunch of good stuff. I am not a computer expert, so to be exact about the specification with this, I'm probably not going to be the best one to do that. But anyways, here it is. I'm going to open this up and show you this bad boy, and hopefully it will turn out to be good, which I think it will be, because the lady, and I gave her my card, and if you see this, you're really nice, and I appreciate it. She knew a lot about computers there at Best Buy, so I do not. Okay, let's open this. I am excited. I have to set it up. I've actually had this since before Thanksgiving, and today is the 1st. I just have not had a chance to do the unboxing video. That's why I haven't. Actually, I hardly haven't put any videos up the last several days now. So I've been waiting for this. But my old ones finally partially gave out. And I just can't really be doing any editing on those anymore. I also bought a editing program, and I think Adobe Premiere or something like that, so you know where it's going to be loaded onto this bad boy right here. Now, I got this, it was on sale, I'm assuming for Black Friday. Regular price, this was probably almost $1,000, but it was about a couple $100 less. So normal price with taxes, it would have been about $1,000. I think it was on sale for $6.99, $7.99, I think. Oh, cool. And I remember computers back in the day when they had these huge modems and huge screens and everything with a fat back. Let's take out this. I'm assuming it's going to be the keyboard. No power adapter. Got the adapter. Rest of the plug. And these are just some of the directions for it. So this just lifts right out. Put it out first. Yeah. This is going to be the keyboard. Sorry, I'm not being very specific about type of computer and all this and everything. Keyboard. I am not the biggest nerd in the world. Wireless mouse. Now, interestingly, the mouse, it charges by putting it like on the base of the right underneath the monitor in a certain spot. It charges like that, which I think is really cool. The keyboard does take batteries though, and they include some. To get them out, and they include 4 AAA's, Duracell to be exact. Let's set this on the floor and pull it out. Definitely in here pretty solidly. Alright. Ah, there you go. Look at that beauty. And hey, it's a very heavy duty box. If you want to put something special in here, this box is definitely going to be fun. Alright, let's pull these off. I wonder if there's a use for this. Something else. You know, you could probably put like a picture frame or small flat screen TV in there and put in this box if you want to. This is really heavy duty too. Just think. This is the computer. I tell you, when I first got my computer in the 90s, it's a huge size modem and everything. Intel Core i5. Not sure if you see it, but right here, the base right here on the modem, that is where you would put the mouse when it needs to be recharged. You put it right there, which I think is pretty darn cool. Okay, this is basic. Now it's not. This is just a table I'm temporarily have here. I can do this to show you. This is not my workspace. Actually, we'll be setting up a much nicer spot, but better wait till I've been able to do that. It would have been a while before I can even start this up with this computer. And I didn't want to wait that long. So this is basically what comes with it. Plug, the mouse, the keyboard, the computer itself with the screen and the motor in here, and the 4 AA's, or AAA's I mean, and you put them right here, and they give you, let's say 4 of them, so I don't think you put the others in the mouse. I don't think they charge that way. I think that it has a battery built in, I think. Let's just put these in right now before I forget them or lose them. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's see. That's the way it goes. Yeah, here. There. That's also. There's a lot of sticky things you want to remove before you start. There's nice and shiny. Awesome. Okay, oh yeah, wait, look at this. She showed me this too. There is the camera. So when you don't want it. Awesome, huh? Well, that's an unboxing of my new computer. I think it looks pretty fancy. Like I said, this is supposed to be a touchscreen if I remember correctly. I still prefer the good old-fashioned mouse. But I wanted to do this quickly and do a nice unboxing video for you guys. Sorry I'm not being exactly technical about all the whats and whats that goes inside here. I'm not exactly sure about all that myself. I just know that this is supposed to be good for video editing. That's why I got it. Alright. Any comments, questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Hope everyone has a nice day. Bye, everybody. Bye.